Hey guys, it's TheGraphicist. So today I'm going to be doing a Minecraft tutorial because, I've been doing a lot of graphic tutorials lately and not many Minecraft tutorials because I haven't been doing Minecraft much. And I've been getting a lot more views on my Minecraft videos, so I'm going to get back into Minecraft and start doing some more with that. And I hope you guys like this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you set up a server. It's going to be a private server. It's going to be online. So you're going to need two things, which are going to be in the description. There's going to be links to them. There's going to be something called LogMeIn Hamachi and CraftBukkit. So let's first look at LogMeIn Hamachi. So I'm going to give you a link to this. And by the way, guys, this is for Mac. So you're going to go to go to this unmanaged thing and do download now, and make sure you click condition to you agree, and then just open that, archive it, and open it up. Then you're gonna have to make a server in Hamachi. So let me delete this network, and I'm gonna show you how to make a new network. Okay, create a new network. Let's network ID. Let's just do TheGraphicist and password 123 create, and this may take a little bit. Okay, so it should have your IP right here, and you want this to be online. So now we're going to go over to Bukkit. There will be a link in the description, and I'm going to show you how to get plugins for your server later in a different video. It's going to be coming up sometime soon. I don't really know, but you're going to go to Get CraftBukkit. Scroll down to where it says Mac. Now it should say under Mac OS 10 all this stuff. What's in this little box here, you're just going to select it all, and you're going to do Command Copy, which is just copy. Then you're going to open up Terminal, which should be in your Applications folder within your Utilities folder. Then you're just going to paste that in right there, and it should do all this boring stuff, and it might take a while. It's going to generate a new folder, basically, with a few files in it, and I'll show you how you do all this stuff, and we're going to skip right through that. Okay, so now we got this thing, and it says all this stuff here. Now you're gonna go into your Finder. It should be on your desktop. It should be called Bukkit Server. Now there's gonna be a file called launchserver.command. You're going to control click it on a Mac or right click it. It's usually, if you're using a laptop like me, it's control click. You can use control click on any Mac, but I just like doing that because there's no right click on my computer. So then you're going to do open with, and go to text edit, open that up. Okay, so where it says RAM here, you're going to have to change that, and you're going to want to find out how much RAM you want to use, and that's down here. So 1 gigabyte is 1024 for your value. Lots of people mess up here. What they do is they go inside and delete what's in there. No, you actually have to delete the brackets. So it's XMX and then no spaces or anything. I'm going to do 1 gigabyte for my RAM, 1024. There we go. Then Command S for saving. Close that. Close up this. Then you got to open up your launch server command. Open that. There we go. It's doing all this stuff. There may be some errors. You can fix that later. There's always, well, not always, but there's gonna be errors sometime. And I'm gonna show you how you get that Hamachi thing working. It's quite interesting. Okay, so open up your text edit again. And also open up your Hamachi and get it over here. Then just type in your while you're doing this, type in your IP from Hamachi. Mine's 5.236.185.152. This is not your actual IP, guys. This is your Hamachi IP. You can't use this for crap. So just copy that. And let's go back into terminal. This is done. So exit out, just close it. Just copy that, make sure it's copied. Don't save that. And then you have all this stuff. So you got your banned IPs. You can type in people's IPs in there to ban their IP address, ban their players by names. There's this bucket.yml. I haven't used Minecraft in a while, so I don't know what that does. You can edit certain files. This is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in your name. So for your OPs, so save that. I typed in my name, Baby Massacre, and if you ever want to make anyone an OP, you can do that in there. Permissions, this is your permissions thing. You can open this in TextEdit and mess with all the settings. We're not going to go into detail in this tutorial about that. So there's this README in here. You can look at that. There's this world data, world nether, whitelist, and what you mainly need to work on is your server properties. Open that up in TextEdit. Level name, you can name it whatever you want. I just leave mine with world. Allow nether true. You can turn that off, but to turn things off, it's true and false. So if you want that off, just type in false instead of true. Spawn monsters, I'm going to set to false. Online mode, you can keep that on, but if you have it on false, then if you have Minecraft SP, which is a free version of Minecraft, then your server will work. If it's on true, it won't. So difficulty, I'll just keep it on 1. Game mode 0. Spawn animals, I'm gonna keep that to false. Max player is 20. Server IP. Okay, you just copy and paste that server IP in there, and PvP false. 404 for level seed. So report, keep that. 25565, allow flight. True, you want this for lots of your plugins. I'll show you how to add those later. Whitelist, turn that off. And I'm going to say, for my MOTD, which is message of the day, I'm going to say, welcome to the Graphicists. Welcome to the Graphicists server! Exclamation point. Okay, so that's basics. Save it. And then all you have to do to get your server running is hit your launch server command and open it up and run it. Okay, now if you want people to join it, that server command has to be running. But what they need is they have to join your Hamachi network. That means they have to have Hamachi too. Okay. If you want to get more advanced with a different kind of server, instead of Hamachi, you can rent a VPS or an actual server. But for this tutorial, we're just going to stick with this. So, you do network, join an existing network. They type in their thing and type in the password, blah, blah, blah. Hit join it. Then they'll see the IP on there. They can open up their Minecraft, type it into their, server thing and join it. And, you can have fun and build stuff. So I hope this helped you guys. I think that was pretty long, actually. Well, hoped you enjoy it. I hoped that you enjoy it, or I still hope that. But, I stutter a lot. Sorry. But, I'm really trying to help you guys. If you could thumb up the video, comment on it, tell me what you liked and what you didn't like, and if you have any suggestions for any new videos, because, I always want ideas. So, if this helped, please tell me, obviously. I'd really like that. If you could subscribe, I would really like that. I've been getting quite a bit of subscribers, and I've been getting revenue on my Minecraft videos for some reason. YouTube's been like, oh yeah, you should get revenue for this, and I'm like, okay, sure. So yeah, hopefully I can earn some revenue on this one too. Hope this helps you guys. Stay tuned for new videos. So, thanks guys. See ya.